Hi, I'm Josh from Fire and Ice. Let's talk about furnaces and how much they cost. Because one of the most common questions we receive from our customers is, how much does a furnace cost? Well, in this video, we will break down the options and show you a range of prices that could work for you. Now, you might find yourself in a situation where you need to replace your current furnace. After talking with thousands of clients, we have found that the cost is one of the most common factors. We've broken this video down to 3 categories to show you a range of price options available and the features that are included in each category. The 3 categories are entry-level, mid-range, and high-end furnaces. In each category, we will break down what's the price range for a furnace, what are some specific models that are included in this category, what are some of the features that are included with these furnaces, and finally, who's the right fit for this type of furnace. One thing to note is that we're going to show you a wide range of prices that can change due to accessories, manufacturer guidelines, or your specific heating and cooling needs. We hope by the end of this video, you'll know the typical cost of a furnace and which furnace is right for you. So let's talk about what's the price range for an entry-level furnace. A typical price range for an entry-level furnace is from $3,000 up to $4,900. The price range depends on the size of the equipment, the location, and any additional installation requirements to make sure that the furnace is installed properly. Some specific models included in the entry-level category would be the Trane S8X1 or a Trane S9X1. Some of the features of a furnace on this level would be that it's a single-stage furnace. Its operation is on or off. The entry-level furnaces are standard and provide basic requirements for heating your home. So who is the right fit for this type of furnace? Anybody looking for reliability on a budget. Now let's see what's the cost for a mid-range furnace. Between $3,700 and $6,500 is a typical price range for a mid-level furnace. The price varies again depending on location, sizing, and any additional installation requirements to make sure that this system can be installed properly. A Trane S9 V2 or a Carrier 59TP6 are a couple of the models that are included into this category of furnace. Typical features that are included in a mid-range furnace would be a 2-stage gas valve. 2-stage meaning not 1 stage on-off, but 2 stages of comfort, a low fire and a high fire. The mid-range furnace is most common for a lot of our customers. Well, what's the reason? The reason is it's right in the middle with enough features and benefits to provide the comfort and efficiency that they need at the right price. Finally, let's talk about the price for our high-end furnaces. So a typical price range for a high-end furnace is anywhere between $4,300 and $7,600. This price range again is based on size, location, and installation requirements. A couple great furnaces included in this category include the XC95M by Trane and the Carrier 59MN7. So what are some of the features that are included with these high-end furnaces? Modulating gas valves, variable speed blowers, communication capability, customized comfort settings, whisper quiet technology with the highest efficiency ratings. These high-end furnaces have the ability to utilize your fuel more efficiently with that modulating valve. Instead of being 1 stage or 2 stage, it starts off at a 40% range and will go up to 100, so it delivers what you need when you need it. High-end furnaces are a great fit for anybody staying in their home long-term. Also, anybody who's looking for the top-rated, most efficient solution to lower your energy costs. There are some factors that can change the cost of your furnace. Some additional costs to consider when purchasing a furnace includes ductwork and ventilation modifications, installation of a gas line if you're converting to a natural gas furnace, or purchasing indoor air quality products, maybe like an upgraded filter or humidifier. So what's the next step in this process? If you want more information on the cost of a furnace, make sure you click the link in the description below. If you liked the video, feel free to hit the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications when new videos arrive. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to making your day better.